Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to spray the plants. I had noted that some of my plants have been infested by, I don't know if it's a fungi or it's these plant diseases. So before I start, I decided to remove the chicks from the sun. It was very hot. It was in the afternoon and the sun was really hot. So these chicks, we always just keep them closed in until evenings when we remove them. There is a hawk that really prey on them when they are left early. So in the evenings when we leave them to go and roam around. So I decided to do this on my own. I could have let the farm boy do it, but I wanted to experience it myself. So I just read the instructions in the leaflet that was there, and the I mixed it with water. Mix it with water, and there I was ready to go and spray the plants. I looked like a real farmer, uh, trying the spray and seeing if it's working well. Actually, the spray is very good. From a distance, I can spray very far, and I really enjoyed it when I began the work. It was so therapeutic for me, just looking at how the the fruits were being soaked with the mixture, and it was so refreshing to see. So there I was just spraying the plants one after the other, and I did a total of around 15 plants. I was deep in the kitchen garden. You could hardly see me, but if you look keenly, you'll see me inside there. Then I went round the house. There are some more fruits there. The mangoes, in fact, the mangoes and the pawpaws were the mostly affected plants. And mangoes when they're affected, they don't fruit. They'll just flower, and then the flowers will fade off, will all fall down. So this mixture is for plants and flowers. But this day I did not focus so much on the flowers. I just wanted to focus on the fruits and flowers. So I focused only on the fruits. it reached a point that I was really exhausted. Here, if you could see me closely, I was really sweating because the sun was up there. So I went, but I was determined to finish this. I really wanted to finish this. And you remember when the mixture is finished in the spray bottle, I go back and mix again and come back and continue spraying. So it was not an easy task. Something that I did close to 1 hour in that sun. But I made sure that everything was well done. Some things looks very easy when you just see people doing them and you think, this is something that I can also do. Given a chance to do it, wow, it's not an easy task. I enjoyed doing it, yes, but I was tired. At the end of it all, I was really sweating. I think it's something that should be done early in the morning before the sun rises. So this is the reason I had to spray this. See, they flower very, very well. And then they start shading off. They start shading off. This one is already fruiting, but there's no future. See, like this one is as good as dead. So the flowers very, very well. And then the shade of sun here. It had some, I don't know which disease is this. This one's an amphida. I don't know. But it really needed to be sprayed. Because see they are close to one another across there. So this is my orange tree. And you see it is already fruiting. So I needed to spray it, or else it will just shade off all the fruits, and there are quite many. There are quite many here. You can spot all the fruits over here. So this one also fruits only a few, just a few. But I have never sprayed them. So I hope it's going to help and I'll have a good yield. See, this one is fruiting. This one is a lemon tree, and I never used to know the difference between the lemon and the orange when they were young, but now I know. Lemon is lighter in color. The leaves are a bit lighter, but the orange is very dark. But they fruit the same. So it's not easy for you to know when it's still young. I just wanted one lemon tree, but I found myself with two because I didn't know the difference. You see, this is the fruit. Oh, it has fallen down. That's why I needed to spray. This one also is fruiting almost the same way, just as the lemon, as the orange. And this one I have never eaten any fruit from this lemon. So this is the fruit over here. This one. This can be seen. Yes. This is the fruit. I was tired. I was so exhausted. I just needed to sit somewhere cool and cool off. It was not easy. Luckily, I had something to drink. It was cold, and at least it cooled me off. So I was just seated under that tree, just cooling off from that work that I did. Yeah, so I enjoyed doing the work, yes, but it's something that need those who are used to doing it. But everything there is a first time. Since it was my first time doing it, maybe the next time I know how to go about it, and I will not kill myself to spray everything. You can try to do a plant or two in a day. I was just looking up to check if I am safe under these trees. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.